Hi everyone, I'm Riaz and today I'm going to explain about a very important update. On February 17th, Elon Musk XAI launched Grok 3, an advanced multimodal AI model which Elon Musk claimed to be the smartest AI on Earth. The word Grok actually comes from science fiction writer Robert A. Heinlein 1961 novel Stranger in a Strange Land. Among techs and science fiction enthusiasts, however, to grok something is to understand it at a deep, deep level to the point where you have become one with the knowledge. In this video, I'll explain about Grok 3, what it is, in which modes it can be used, what it can do, and how it compares to other AI models, and how this launch of Grok 3 at a very significant point in AI history will further intensify the competition between AI tech giants. But before, I would like to give a brief introduction to Elon Musk's career, milestones he has achieved, and his company XAI. In the second part of the program, I will also discuss about the very significant recent launch of Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So if you like the video, kindly share, like, and subscribe our channel, and we will keep updating you about the latest developments in the world of AI. Elon Musk is a billionaire entrepreneur, engineer, and inventor known for revolutionizing multiple industries, including electric vehicles, space exploration, artificial intelligence, and neural technology. Born in South Africa in 1971, he later moved to the United States where he co-founded several high-profile companies. Elon Musk's career started in 1996 when he joined Zip2, a software company providing business directories and maps for newspapers, later sold to Compaq. In 1999, he founded X.com, an online payment company which later became PayPal and sold to eBay in $1.5 billion. In 2002, he founded space exploration technologies known as SpaceX to make Mars colonization possible. In 2004, Elon Musk joined Tesla as an investor and chairman, later became CEO, transforming it into a leading electric vehicle manufacturing company. Musk co-founded SolarCity in 2006, later acquired by Tesla, and Neuralink in 2016 to develop the brain-machine interfaces. In 2022, Musk acquired Twitter for $44 billion and rebranded it as X. Musk was also a co-founder of OpenAI in 2015, contributing funding and helping shape its early direction. However, in 2018, he left OpenAI due to potential conflict of interest, as Tesla was also developing its own AI-based autonomous driving systems, and Musk was having concerns about OpenAI shifting away from its original non-profit mission. In March 2023, Elon Musk founded XAI to advance artificial intelligence. Since its inception in March 2023, XAI has launched a series of AI models under the Grok brand, each new version bringing significant advancement over the previous one. In November 2023, XAI unveiled Grok, an AI chatbot integrated with X, formerly Twitter. On March 17, 2024, Grok 1 was open sourced, and on March 29th, 2024, Grok 1.5 was released with improved reasoning capabilities. On 14th of August 2024, Grok 2 was released with image generation capabilities. XAI also released API for developers and Aurora, a text to image model. On February 17th, 2025, XCI launched Grok 3. XCI also constructed two data centers for Grok 3 model training. The Memphis data center houses the Colossus supercomputer, launched in September 24 with 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs and later expanded to 200,000 GPUs and aiming to expand it to 1 million GPUs. The other one is the Atlanta data center with 12,448 NVIDIA GPUs. So, what is Grok 3? Grok 3 is a multimodal AI model that has advanced text generation, image creation, and reasoning capabilities. Grok 3 outperforms some of the industry's best foundation models across math, science, and coding benchmarks, according to the company and some independent evaluations. What sets XAI apart is its speed. Musk revealed that Grok 3 was trained on 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs later extended to 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs, 10 times the computing power of its predecessor, Grok 2, which launched just 6 months ago. The team also said that it took only 90 days to scale its Memphis based supercomputer Colossus to support the new model's training. Eventually, XAI will be launching a new Super Grok. Grok 3 can work in three different modes: Think, Big Brain, and Deep Search. The think setting activates Grok 3's reasoning process, allowing it to break down problems into different smaller steps or thoughts. Think relies on a less computationally intensive mini version of Grok 3 and can be used to solve simple queries about mathematics, science, and programming questions. Big Brain, on the other hand, uses the full size version of the model, enabling it to tackle more complex queries. Although Grok 3 takes longer to process inputs when Brain is enabled, it provides more accurate, insightful, and detailed responses. The mode is especially useful in scientific research, multi-layered AI tasks, and highly complex problem-solving scenarios. Deep search allows Grok 3 to browse the internet, verify sources, and synthesize real time information before generating a final answer. Grok 3 can access fresh information when deep search is activated, making it ideal for tasks like news gathering, market tracking, and fact checking. Grok 3 can also be used for game development. During the demo, Grok 3 was used to create a game blending Tetris and Bejeweled. In another example posted on X, the model appeared to generate a basic version of the game Bubble Trouble, complete with physics collisions and a basic two-dimensional interface. Musk also announced in a live stream that XAI is launching its own gaming studio to build AI games. Musk mentioned in a live stream that Grok 3 will soon include a voice mode where users will be able to converse with Grok chatbot through spoken commands. So when we come to comparison of Grok 3 with other AI models, the results are pretty interesting. XAI claims Grok 3 beats Google Gemini 2.0, OpenAI's ChatGPT 4o, Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and DeepSeek's V3 models on Math AIME 24 benchmark, which is actually benchmark for math questions. And similar is the situation on GPQA, which is a benchmark for science, and coding LCB benchmark. The company also says that it demonstrates stronger reasoning skills than OpenAI's O1, Google's Gemini 2 Flash Thinking, and DeepSeek R1 models. Indeed, an early version of Grok 3 using the codename Chocolate is topping the charts in the chatbot arena, a crowdsourced test that pits different models against each other. The model is also ranked highly by the Artificial Analysis Quality Index, an independent AI evaluation system, through it trails behind DeepSeek R1 as well as OpenAI's O3 Mini and O1 models. Its reasoning capabilities, however, outranked everyone except O3 Mini. When we come to the subscription pricing comparison, Grok 3 with X Premium Plus subscription is available at $40 per month, which gives access to Grok 3 AI models, Think Mode, and Deep Search. Super Grok will be available at $30 per month, which will give access to advanced reasoning tools. By comparison, OpenAI O1 under the ChatGPT Pro subscription plan is available at $200 per month, which gives access to O1 model with enhanced reasoning capabilities. But from the comparison, it's quite clear that the cost of OpenAI with the ChatGPT Pro subscription is about 5 times more. The Grok chatbot is essentially Musk's anti-woke answer to ChatGPT, whose maker, OpenAI, recently launched a number of AI models, O1, O3, Deep Research. Musk co-founded OpenAI and then left in 2018 after some conflict of interest and some differences with the CEO Sam Altman. Since then, Musk has repeatedly sued OpenAI, accusing it of abandoning its original mission to benefit humanity in favor of profits. The rivalry between the two tech founders reignited in January 2025 when Sam Altman announced OpenAI's partnership with President Donald Trump on the Stargate project, a venture that plans to invest $500 billion in America's AI infrastructure. Over the next 4 years, Musk, a prominent Trump ally and head of his Department of Government Efficiency, was notably absent from the White House press conference unveiling Stargate. Then, just a few days before releasing Grok 3, a group of investors led by Musk made an unsolicited 97.4 billion bid to buy a controlling share of OpenAI, to which the CEO Sam Altman said, "No, thank you," and offered to buy Musk's social media company X for $9.7 billion instead. The competition between the two tech giants is expected to further intensify, but it will be good for AI development. So the conclusion we make is that the release of Grok 3 signals a major leap in AI development, positioning XAI as a key competitor in the reasoning model space. Its advancement, subscription models, and commitment to open source AI would shape the future of AI development and accessibility. In another significant development, Anthropic launched Claude 3.7 Sonnet as their most up-to-date and advanced reasoning model. Now, there are two very important factors regarding this launch. First, the Claude 3.7 Sonnet is the first hybrid reasoning model. It's actually based on a philosophy which is different from other reasoning models in the market. 3.7 Sonnet is both an ordinary LLM and a reasoning model in one. So you can pick when you want the model to answer normally and when you want it to think longer before answering. In the standard mode, Claude 3.7 Sonnet will be an upgraded version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, but in the extended thinking mode, it self reflects before answering, which improves its performance on math, physics, instruction following, coding, and many other tasks. The second important feature is that when using Claude 3.7 Sonnet through the API, users can also control the budget for thinking. You can tell Claude to think for no more than n tokens for any value of n up to its output limit of 128k tokens. This allows you to trade off speed and cost for quality of answer. So you can control your budget while using the model to its full efficiency. When we come to comparison with other AI models, early testing demonstrated Claude's leadership in coding capabilities across the board. In SWE benchmark, which actually evaluates AI models' ability to solve real-world software issues, Claude 3.7 Sonnet hit 62.3% accuracy rate, which is higher than Claude 3.5, OpenAI O1, OpenAI O3 Mini High, and DeepSeek R1. In agentic tool use TAU benchmark, which actually checks AI models' capability on the real-world complex tasks, 3.7 Sonnet is better than its predecessor, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and OpenAI O1. In other benchmarks like graduate level reasoning, GPQA Diamond, multilingual question and answer, visual reasoning, and instruction following, it's giving good competition to OpenAI O1, O3 Mini High, and DeepSeek R1, but lagging behind in math question benchmarks AIME 2024 and Math 500. On Claude models playing Pokemon game, 3.7 Sonnet shows significant progress over its predecessor, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is now available in all Claude plans, including Free, Pro, Team, and Enterprise, as well as Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud Vertex AI. Extended Thinking Mode is available on all surfaces except the Free Cloud tier. In both standard and extended thinking modes, Claude 3.7 Sonnet has the same price as its predecessor, $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, which include thinking tokens. We hope that Claude 3.7 Sonnet will significantly help the professionals in the field, particularly the coders. That's all for now. If you find the information useful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and we will continue to update about the latest developments in the field of AI. Thank you and bye.